This is Wallet Brief, where we break down what actually moved the US economy this week, without the noise. If prices, interest rates, jobs, housing, or taxes are quietly changing your money, this is where you stay informed. Let's get into what really happened this week, and what it means for your wallet. Today is March 21st, and one of the biggest financial topics right now is stock market today. As the trading week comes to a close, investors across the United States are watching how Wall Street is positioning itself going into the next phase of the market. The stock market today discussion is trending because markets are reflecting the cumulative impact of economic signals seen throughout the week. Investors are analyzing how data on inflation, employment, and economic growth may influence the direction of markets moving forward. Markets often show patterns at the end of the week that reflect broader investor sentiment. Whether markets appear stable, uncertain, or volatile can signal how investors are feeling about the economy in the near term. Behind the headlines, the real trend is about positioning and expectations. Large institutions and investors often adjust their portfolios toward the end of the week based on new data and changing outlooks. These adjustments can influence short-term movements in the stock market today. For everyday households, the stock market today plays an important role in financial well-being. Retirement accounts, long-term investments, and pension funds are all connected to market performance. When markets shift, those savings can change in value. Market trends also influence broader economic confidence. A stable or rising market can support optimism among businesses and consumers, while increased volatility may create uncertainty about future economic conditions. That uncertainty can affect how companies make decisions about hiring, investing, and expanding operations, which ultimately impacts the overall economy. Looking ahead, investors will continue to monitor key signals that could shape the stock market today in the coming days. Economic reports, policy updates, and global developments will all play a role in determining the next market direction. For now, Wall Street is reflecting on the week's economic signals and adjusting expectations for what comes next. That's your wallet brief for this week. These changes don't always make headlines, but they do change how much you pay, save, and earn. We'll be back next week with the updates that matter. Until then, stay informed, and protect your